Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Melbourne Gardener. I know I have been a bit lazy with uploading. It's because I've been enjoying the Christmas time. Today I really wanted to share with you my first year figs. So this tree I planted pretty much, I would say a year ago from a cutting. Oh, maybe it wasn't a cutting. I'm not sure. Someone gave it to me in a pot plant. Maybe a year or two ago, and I've planted it right next to my apple tree. I'm using one hand right now. My apple tree and my orange tree. So that's my orange tree, and and over here is my apple tree, and the fig tree is right in the middle there. And this is the first year it's fruited, and as you can see, it is very squishy, and it's very yummy. It's very soft. It's kind of like and the taste is somewhat in between like a really soft orange and grapefruit, and a sweet kind of melon of sorts. It's very yummy, and it's just really digestible and easy to eat. I normally don't eat figs. I normally don't buy figs. It's not something that I would choose to purchase, but this flavor is really subtle and really nice, and I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know what kind of fig tree it is, but if you are looking to grow fig, this is a west-facing wall. Get some good morning sun from the east there. And really, do I fertilize? Look, every now and then I will get my chicken poo and chicken fertilizer and just sprinkle it underneath the mulch. But other than that, I just let it do its thing. So it's a really easy fruit tree to grow. Perfect for lazy people like myself, and hope that you guys can also get in on the gardening and the homegrown food. All right, hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and hope you have a great new year coming up. See you later in the next one.